Hi guys, let's check how to make your hair curly in one night. So this is the easy process that I follow almost like every time. So let's start. So first of all, you have to make your hair wet. So like this way. As I am not wanting smaller curls, I am looking for a little bigger one. Mostly I go for 4 partitions. So but today I am doing 2 partition, and on 2 partition I am making braids with that. So I hope everyone knows how to make braids with your hair. So I started doing it. So you have to keep it little tighter so it will come nice when you will open it. So the curls will be very defined once you will open it. Continue the same process and keep doing, and at the end you have to tie your hair. So I am not going to make it till the end. In half I am going to tie it. I will keep the lower hair open or like same way. Same process you have to follow for your another partition of your hair. After that we will keep it for whole night and we will check in morning. Okay. Hey, in morning we can see our hair is almost done. So let's open it. So hope it will be a good curls. Yes, I can see the curls. I started liking it. So I was not expecting it this way, but it is looking so pretty. See the curls, see the waviness of it. So let me open it. Let me open the another side also. I just love this one. Hope the side will be the same. So you have to open it one by one. Don't try to open everything at a time. And I am really liking it. Okay, so this is the hair. Yeah, I love it. So it is looking really plumpy and bouncy also, and the shine you can see. I have used a new shampoo that I will put the details after this DIY. It is looking like this way. The shine and everything is really nice. We will use hair serum. Okay, I am not going to comb my hair, so I will keep the curls for some time. So after putting hair serum, it is little bit of straight it's looking, but it's okay. It is looking the same almost. So let's see from the back side. Curls are so defined. So I really love it. I can't believe without using any heat we got this look. Let me know if you have any better idea or if you want me to use some other DIY. Let me know. Okay, we are all set. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Bye.